We are coming up with an app, which is a beautiful app for Kabbalistic meditation. We don't have something like this existing nowhere. To use the holy names of God, the 72 names with which Moses split the Red Sea, and I'm giving there guided meditation for different topics that we need in our life. If this is for health, if this is for relationship, to be protected physically or energetically, to channel health to other people, to protect ourselves from the evil eye, to bring more energy of mercy in our life. In a very easy way, you can tap and connect with the light of the Almighty and bring it into your life and to the life of people that are dear to you.